Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to US and Mix YouTube channel. Today's topic is how we will launch Kirin 990 chipset on 6 September. First go to our website usandmix.com. Here is one report how we will launch Kirin 990 chipset on 6 September. But before start, I want to say if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics mainly discussed in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments. And also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, you do not get the full information and miss many useful tips and information on this topic. Okay friends, let's start. First go to the full report. How we will launch Kirin 990 chipset on 6 September. First go to the full report. So how we will launch Kirin 990 chipset on 6 September. How I will launch Kirin 990 chipset on 6 September. The company has officially put Huawei Kirin 990 warm-up teacher video on YouTube, which gives detailed information about the chipset. So Huawei officially uploaded one video about Huawei Kirin 990 chipset on YouTube, which is from where you get the detailed information about the chipset. So you can get it on YouTube on searching Huawei Kirin 990 warm-up teacher video. Chinese smartphone maker Huawei has confirmed that it will launch its latest in-house Kirin 990 chipset at the September 6 event. Friday's report from the news portal GSM Arena stated that the Kirin 990 will be built on TSMC's 7nm EUV process, which will provide 20% more transistor density and in turn increase energy efficiency. So this is the Kirin 990 chipset picture. The company has officially put the Huawei Kirin 990 warm-up teacher video on YouTube detailing the chipset, and it is reported that it will be equipped with the 5G capabilities. So this is the report. The company recently launched the world's most powerful artificial intelligence AI processor, the Ascent 910, as well as all scenario AI computing framework Minds Pro. The Ascent 910 is a new AI processor introduced in the company's Ascent Max chipset series. So this is about our video of Huawei 990 chipset on how it launches Kirin 990 chipset. So this company world most powerful artificial processor, that Ascent 910 as well. So Huawei is most popular company of Chinese company. So it is mobile smartphone maker, but here is the chipset. It is Chinese smartphone maker. Huawei has already manufacture of this type of chipset. So this is about our report about how we will launch Kirin 990 chipset on 6 September. And that's it about our report. And thanks for watching this video. If you like our video and like our channel, then you can like, share and subscribe of our US and Mix YouTube channel. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of US and Mix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.